Dental hygiene is of paramount importance, no kidding, right? But what if you're low on budget but still want a great toothbrush? Well, then look no further. This is Bitvae's new S2 Smart Electric Toothbrush, an extremely budget-friendly device. You would not believe it. It is crazy. Bitvae is a top seller on Amazon with an insane amount of positive reviews. We're talking over 5,000 for some of their products. So I'm already super curious what this thing can do and if it's actually good. So let's find out. Got the new drip from Bitvae. This is the S2 Smart Electric Toothbrush with all these accessories right here, as you can see. So by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let's get rid of the wrap. So here we have the front, looking really nice. Here we have the side and also this on the other side. And right here we have the back with all the specs and also this. Top and bottom are just blank, and this we can open it up right here. Oh well, never mind, it was, yeah, that was unnecessary, but anyways, there we go. Here we have all the segments, we can pull them out like that. So we have this empty cube right there. Then we have the box with the cable, the box with all these spare brush heads, and of course the main box with the toothbrush and the paperwork. So let's get everything out. Oh, nice. This is actually a hard case. Great stuff. Check this out. Next box with all the brush heads, and there are tons of it included. And they even come with little protective caps. Well, we will get one of them, that is. There we go. And lastly, oh my goodness, there are even more in here. What a surprise, check this out. And the cable right here. So there we have it. So let's get straight to the accessories and to the manual. So charging cable with a nice Velcro strap. This one right here is the charge port for the toothbrush and the USB-A for the power outlet. And as you can see, we will also get a total of 8 toothbrushes, brush heads. So we have 6 standard ones and 2 that seem to be of the soft variety. This is what they look like. So this one, the standard one, and this one, yeah, this one is a sensitive one, soft bristles. And from the bottom, and yeah, one of them has a slide-on protective cap, pretty dope. Then we have the case, a nice dedicated hard case with the brand on top. It will snap close, and you can open it up like so. Pretty dope, pretty dope. And the paperwork. So first of all, oh wow, look at that. We will also get a detailed app guide for the companion app, aka the Ice Bruise app. Pretty dope. We will check that out in a second. And then of course the main manual right here. Dope manual. Let's go. So to recap, 8 brush heads, the charging cable, the case, paperwork, and the toothbrush itself. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So dope accessories, and the toothbrush itself is looking like this. It's actually, for the price point, it's crazy nice. The build quality is looking really good actually. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. All right, let's take a close look. So we have the top right here with the connector, and we can just stick them on. It's actually pretty nice and it's holding really sturdily on there. Then we have the front side with the on-off button, of course, and a simple press will turn it on. Clean, white, soft, gum care, smart, and off again. At first I had to long press, and you saw this activation thingy. But once it's on, press and hold will also do nothing. We have to cycle through it and then it will turn itself off. That's how it works. Then the sides and the back is just blank, and we have 2 of these protrusions that will stop it from rolling around. Pretty nice. And we have the bottom right here for charging it. And yeah, this is unbelievable. That is crazy. For so little money, you will legit get a fully fledged toothbrush. Alright, so let's charge it up and then we should be ready for a test. And by the way, charging it will look like this. So this light will just light up, this little LED right there. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features quickly. So we have the companion app. We have a pressure indicator. Oh, I haven't tested that, by the way. Oh. Nice. Pressure indicator is super travel friendly. You will also get this hard case. Long battery life, as you will see, we only dropped like 2 or 3% for one cleaning. Bluetooth support in here. We will also get easy to follow and intuitive brushing instructions. It has a smart timer integrated and yeah, the mentioned pressure indicator. We have 5 brushing modes: clean, white, soft, gum care and smart. Input voltage, of course, 5 volts over USB. And the main features aside from the Bluetooth tech, the smart timer, it's waterproof as well, of course. Aside from the pressure indicator, we also have, of course, replacement brush heads with a different softness. So we have the regular ones and the soft ones, and all of that for an incredibly low price. So yeah, not bad, right? And now let's finally test it. And as we're charging it, here we have the app. That's the publisher. There's only one app. Easy, so let's get it. I keep on knocking over those brush heads. We have a super detailed guide. Okay, first of all, let's sign up. Let's log in and there we go. Okay, so we have the home, we have the rewards, we have the messages, and we have me. So rewards for device pairing, we will also get our first reward point. So let's add a device, give all the permissions, of course, turn on Bluetooth and the location, and let's add a device. So now we need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Oh, it's already there. It's already there. Never mind. Perfect. So we have the S2. Okay, well, we still have to do it, I guess. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay. You just have to press and hold and then this will flash just like that. All right. Good stuff. This is such a cheap toothbrush, but you can literally connect it with an app. I can't believe it. So let's click on it. And here we can see the guide, lateral, smart custom, cleaning and cleaning order. Let's go. Let's start brushing. Connecting. All right, there we go. We can even see the battery percentage, remaining days, remaining life. Oh my goodness, remaining life of the brush head. That is so cool. We can check the records. Let's start brushing, brush time, pressure, smart mode, smart custom. Oh, we have 5 plans. Check this out. We have smart custom, morning clean, night clean, beginner's plan, polish, gum massage, freshen up your breath. That is so cool. And when we click on this, start brushing, please follow the guidance, start brushing. Okay, yeah, we're ready for a test. Let's do it. So it's wet, there's toothbrush on it. Now let's go through a full cycle. So let's do it again. Turn it on. Wow! Okay, so lateral. That is so easy to follow, I love it. Just like that, we're done. Tongue cleaning, yes, okay. Floss, yes. Mouthwash, yes, okay. 2 minutes and we're done. Not too bad. And we only lost like a few percentage of the battery, so this will last you a long time. Amazing. Okay, and we have the clean. Oh, it will literally start itself when you turn it on. White. Oh, it will also recognize it. That is amazing. Soft, gum care, smart soft, and off. Wow, super responsive, super fast. I didn't expect that. And we also have the modes. Polish, gum massage. Okay, polish. Change that plan. Well, anyways, you get the point. That is amazing. Whoa. A little bit more testing before I will show you the settings. Yeah, the white mode is a good mode. The white mode has a bit of strength to it. This thing is feeling exactly the same as my regular toothbrush, which is 10x the price of this one. Literally 10 times more expensive. That's crazy. No, no, no. And now check this out, the brush settings. We can set the cleaning order, special attention needed. That is the best. Wow. We can also activate or deactivate scene music, cleaning care. We can turn it off completely, and we can also turn off the tongue and flossing prompts, and the device name we can rename it. Oh, actually that's the image, and here we can rename it. We can check out the manual, and we can also upgrade the firmware. Okay, but we have the latest firmware, so yeah, wow. And we have gotten a few points. Let's go. So let's check out the rewards. So we have daily brushing, device pairing, and with the points we can actually redeem it for coupon codes. That is so cool. That is actually genius. Wow, I am absolutely impressed with this, with the whole device and the package. And when you're done, you can, I forgot to show it. You can of course insert it into the case, and this will also fit a brush head just like that. Close it up, and there we go. Wow, this is awesome. So as you saw, the value of this little box right here is quite insane. It's mind-blowing. This is a fully fledged ultrasonic toothbrush with different cleaning modes. It is crazy. What's more, you will get a total of 8 brush heads too. And usually, let me tell you, usually just 4 of these replacement brush heads will cost you more than this whole set, including the toothbrush. This is so affordable, and you will even get different types. You also have a few smart features integrated, like the pressure sensor. So when you go overboard, it will notify you to pipe down a notch, and you can also connect your smartphone to it, as you saw, and this way you can get further tips and tricks and all of that good stuff over the app. It's just awesome what you will get for so little money. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day, and I will see you soon.